Hello everyone, myself Firal Karya from the Department of Industrial Chemistry, Shri Manibhai Virani and Srimati Navaralben Virani Science College, Autonomous, Rajkot. Today I am going to introduce a value-added course that is known as Financial Literacy and Taxation. The course objective to introduce this course related with the financial literacy and taxation for the science student is they are becomes aware with the banking system, various types of the financial products, fixed deposit, provident funds, equity market, mutual fund, insurance, real estate, precious metals like gold and silver. That will be helpful to them in their financial planning and selection of a proper investment tool as per the need of an individual goal. Because generally what happens, science students are lagging behind in the aspects related with the investment, and that's why this guided course is developed for you people. We need planning in every aspects of life, and this is a financial planning. So we have to plan our investments. We should not kept all the eggs into one basket, but it should be in a multiple pockets so that we are able to get a safe as well as a higher rate of investment like fixed deposit, provident fund, mutual fund or the equity market, insurance and the real estate sector. Some also prefers precious metals like gold and silver. The major two aspects of the investments are the banking system and insurance sector. Generally people prefers investment into the banking system, so we should have an introduction about the Indian banking system, which includes various types of the accounts like saving account, current account, fixed deposit and recurring deposit types of the accounts, which lead to give you a basic information about Indian banking system. Not only that, while we are dealing with the investment, we are also focusing on the insurance sector, life as well as general insurance. So these two are the basic pillars of your investment options. While thinking about investment, we are also critically think about the saving of tax. Whenever we are hear the word tax, we will be observing that something that is likely to be deducted from our pocket. So we should have a proper planning related with the saving of tax, planning related with the tax, and how to overcome excess deduction of the taxes so that we can have a proper wealth creation at the end of our specific interval of age. Being a youth, you should focus on the wealth creation, and how to create a wealth in the financial market is a very important aspect. You have to change your mindset from I can't to I can, and that will lead to creation of wealth. You will be a billionaire or millionaire in future by wealth creation aspects. Finally, so this is the summary of our very important course identified as Financial Literacy and Taxation. If you are interested to join this course and have a better future related with the finance, then you can contact me and at the said department in the given time frame,